Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the introduction part of the basic part of Python programming language. From today we'll start a big journey to study Python programming language in a very simply and easily. You can see in our channel you can find the playlist of Python programming language. You can explore this playlist and learn the Python programming language. And also in our channels there was a C++ programming language playlist and also C programming language playlist, and also C programming with DSA one playlist is there. You can explore this all playlist free in free. So today's we'll discuss about the Python programming language, and this is our first class of Python language. So what is Python? Python is a versatile language, and this is a case sensitive language. It's a programming language. Python is a popular programming language, and it's a very simply you can understand the Python language, and it was created by Guido van Rossum, and it's released in 1991. You have to remember this. Only you have to read this. Okay. It is used for software development. Python programming language is used on software development, app development, web development. It's web. Okay. Web development, mathematics. In mathematics field, Python programming is also uses, and system scripting also uses Python programming language. And the syntax of Python programming is, you can say in any other language there was something written in first, like hashtag include stdio, like hashtag include stdho at this in the front of the code, and after that the main code is written, like printf in C programming, write cout in C++. That's, but in Python language there is no any header file, any hash symbol, anything. There is directly you can write in Python code print, and then in the bracket, in the first bracket, first parenthesis and second parenthesis, you can write hello world or anything. That's print, that's output it also hello world. So you don't need to write at first and at last any things. You can write directly print and write under this parenthesis, and that is output. It's outputs of this code hello world. So you can write in Python print hello world, then output will be hello world. And the Python programming file you can save with the extension of .py. You have to remember this when you are saving a file of Python from notepad, from idvl and anything pycharm software, anything, you have to save the file to .py. That's the extension of the file. So now we are discussing about the variable in Python. Variable in Python are created when you assign a value to it. There was no command for declaring a variable. In Python language there is no need to create a variable. Automatically you if you write x equal to something, x equals to, I think I write 6, x equal to 6, the x variable is created automatically. You don't need to write at first int x like that, or char x like that. You don't need to write. In Python programming language it's automatically capture the data type. Automatically variable is created when you assign a value in the variable. Okay. So example is x equal to 5 you can write, and the x variable is not declaring at first, it's automatically declared by the Python programming language. And you can write y equal to under inverted comma, because that's y is a character or string type, string data type, that's y is not declaring. Okay. And you can print also the x and y, print x, print y, then you if you print x, then the output will be 5, and print y the output will be Vikas, like that. Okay. And rules of variable naming. What is the rules of the variable naming? It can start with an alphabet on underscores or underscore or dollar. If we write a variable name in Python, then this will starting with the alphabet or starting with the underscore or starting with the dollar, not um, any other things. Okay. And there was a in our programming language there are 32 keyword like int, float, like character, like auto, like double, like that many other etc. Total 32 keyword are present in programming language. The 32 keyword are not allowed in the variable name. You have to remember this. Okay. And you have to also remember it can start with an alphabet. Starting is alphabet or underscore or dollar. Okay. And commas or blanks are not allowed in the variable name. You cannot write with using comma, using space, and only numbers are not allowed. You if you make a variable that's 552, like that number, you can't write it. You can't take the take the numerical number to variable naming. Okay. You can mix the variable number. You can write v I5 and c, like that. You can mix up, then the variable naming is right. But if you write only number, then it's not correct. Okay. That's the rules of naming variable naming. Okay. And comments. In our Python language, Python has a commenting capability for the purpose of in code documentation. In code documentation, there was a Python has some extra capability to write the comment. Comment can be used to explain the Python code. If you write a Python code very weak, then how you explain the user what you write, what you let variable something, then you have to write some comment line. That's why the Python has a capability to give the comment line. Comment start with hash. In every line at first you have to give hash. Okay. Like this is like this is the example. Has This is a comment, has the hello world. This is a comment line, not the at the time of execution of our code, the two line are not showing by the compiler, not checking by the compiler. Okay. Then the multiple life of comments, how you take the multiple line of comment. If you need to write multiple line of comment, need to write a paragraph, then you have to use these things. This thing means you have to write 3 inverted comma, and the between of 3 inverted comma you have to write any things and any line. How many line you have to write, you can write. The whole things are commented. Okay. Then the input and output of Python language. Okay. You have to write input and first parenthesis and second parenthesis. Okay. Input then parenthesis for get any input from user, like input and this parenthesis. If you write, then text box is appear in your output screen. Then you can write a string name, that's I write in Vishal, and you can write the integer name, float, character. You can write any things. Okay. And like role, if you input a role equal to input, then print role. You can input a role like there I am input 23 and the output is also 23. Okay. Because I print role, that's why output is written here. Then like you can also input age. So there was written age input, please enter your age in years. Okay. Then print age. Then please in output screen we can see please enter your age in years. Then I will write in input text box 99, then the output will be 99, because I will write I was right in print age, that's why the output is given 99. Then you can also write name equal to Vishal, age is equal to 12. Then print, you can print the hello, print into the parenthesis and with the inverted comma between hello, my name is comma inverted comma started name. Name means the variable name is Vishal, name and inverted comma close, and I am and inverted comma open and comma age inverted comma close, years old. Age means this, okay, age means this 12 and name means this Vishal. So in output screen we can see hello, my name is Vishal and I am 12 years old. The 12 is given by this age variable and the Vishal name is given by name variable, that's written in first. Okay, this is a one type of printing method, and another formatted string is here also for printing this same line in another method. Name Vishal, age 12. At first we have to assign this, okay. Then print, if you write if, then inverted comma my name is, in curly bracket you have to write the variable name and you have to write and age is variable name, that's you write age in between of curly bracket, okay, and close the inverted comma and close the first parenthesis, okay. Then the output screen you have to see my name is Vishal and age is 12. So the age is given by this age and the Vishal is given by the name variable. So you can print the same things by two methods, one is by this and two is by this, okay. There is two method. So there are some example of printing something. So you can say, you can see this x equal to 2, y equal to 3, z equal to 4. Then print x, y, z and ACP means separate equal to inverted comma, between inverted comma you have to write dollar. So the x, y, z is separated by dollar. So 2 3 separate 2 3 separated by dollar and 3 4 separated by dollar. You can write this. The output screen will be like this, okay. Then print hello world and the explanation sign, okay. In our Python language, if you write the print in next line, then the output line will be next line, and also the explanation line in written in next line in input screen. So the output screen also this is in next line. But in any other language, you can say C++, you can say C, there was, if you write the input screens in another lines, but the output screen will be same like hello world explanation marks, okay. So if you write the full things in a single line, then we have to use end equal to this, okay. So print in first parenthesis inverted comma started hello, then you can write end equal to between inverted comma there was a space, and like print world, and in between inverted comma there was a space and end equal to, and print explanation marks. Then output will be hello world inverted comma, the space is written here, this is the space and this is the space, okay. So in Python language you have to, if you need to write the output in a same line, then you have to write in input screen end equal to inverted comma, end equal to inverted comma, then close the parenthesis of print. Then there was a type of data type in Python, type of data. There are the many type of data in Python language, like numerical data type, sequence data type, boolean data type, dictionary data type, set data type. In numerical data type there are many things like integer, float, complex noun, characters. In sequence, string, list, tuples and any others data type. So today's lecture is completed, and after the second lecture we will discuss about the numerical data type, and after that we will discuss about the string, sequence, like that. So if you like this video, then you can subscribe our YouTube channels for more video.